Okay, the next part is the weekly milk line clean. We're going to push the little drip, cleaning, and we're going to go milk. And it's going to bring you to this menu here, and we're going to say cleaning with tablet or milk fluid. So we're going to push that. It's going to ask you to put an empty container underneath the outlet to catch any waste, and when you've done that you push OK. It's then going to ask you to remove the milk container, which we're going to do, and we're going to put that in a empty container which is at least 1 litre, which can hold at least 1 litre. So we've done that. When you've done that, push OK. Again, all the screen prompts are on the screen, so nice and easy to follow. We've now put the container in. Okay. It's now asking you to put in the detergent or pill. So we're going to use the MFC Blue detergent, and we're going to use 25 mils. It's just filling up. Once that's filled up, we'll just unscrew that, and we'll pour that in to the empty container. That's putting the detergent in the empty container with the milk line, and once that's done, we'll say yes. Now, the milk system will fill the container up with the solution in it, and then recycle it back through and rinse out the milk line and the milk system inside. So you just need to wait now for the container to fill up with the solution, and then the machine will drag it back through and clean it. It will then repeat the steps and fill it up with clean water and rinse through the clean water. It will take about 10 or 15 minutes. So just look at the countdown on the screen once it's ready, and that'll show you when it's complete. Once it's complete, it will take you back to the home screen and it'll be good to go. We recommend doing this every week.